Zaid, how are you, beta?
I'm good.
Good. How is it feeling now? Better?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Oh, my throat still hurts. So can you take a short class?
Short class again? Not feeling better
Yeah,
yet?
I'm feeling better. It's like my throat
But still
hurts.
throat hurts. Taking medicine, Zaid?
Yeah.
You will feel better, inshallah. Well,
I
okay,
think by tomorrow I'll be good.
Ji?
I think by tomorrow I'll be good.
Inshallah, you will be good in the next class. So, first of all, Zaid, can you tell me, tell me that on which verse you are?
Uh, I think
104.
okay.
Are you done with this verse?
Um,
I shared you one more time. See?
um, yeah.
Okay. If you're done, then read it.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. يا أيها الذين آمنوا. O
Ji.
you who have, O you who believed,
Who are the
لا
believers? Very good. Now, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, what is actually happening here? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is going to announce an open order for the believers, for the Muslims. What is the order? Move ahead, Shabash.
okay. لا تقولوا رأينا.
Hmm.
Do not say رأينا.
Hmm. Actually, what is meant by Raina? Raina can say it's a form of pardon. For example, when I am explaining you some stuff and you suddenly say pardon, like, so pardon, you can say like, can you repeat it? Can you repeat your stuff again? Can you tell me again? Is it like pardon meaning?
Yeah.
So, like, if you, Zaid, are talking to some person who is very respectable for you, like who is very respected near to you, so how you will talk to him? Obviously, you will give some respect to him. Is it?
Yeah.
For example, when you talk to me, you must say, Kari Saab, can you please repeat your stuff again? Can you please repeat this again? Kari Saab, can you please tell me again? So you're giving me respect. Why? Because you are considering me as your teacher, and you being a good student, you are giving me respect as a teacher. So Ra'ina is not a form of, you can say, uh, it's not a proper form of asking someone to like repeat or tell again. So Ra'ina is like repeat. Like I am explaining you
Disrespect.
something, huh?
Like disrespect.
Like you can say like disrespect or not, you can say disrespect, but actually this is not a form of respect. For example, when I am explaining you something, you say repeat. Like you just say repeat. So by your saying repeat only, it seems very disrespectful. Is it? When I am
Yeah.
explaining you something, suddenly you say repeat. Hello, repeat. Hello, repeat. Repeat it again. So this isn't seems like respectful. So what you should say is, Kari Saab, can you please repeat your thing again? Kari Saab, can you please tell me again? Sorry, I am not understanding. Can you please tell me again? So this is the way how you should talk the person if you are going to respect him. So same thing is happening here for the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam also. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam also. So people were not talking to him as they should talk. Like Ra'ina is not a proper form of giving respect. Getting my point, beta?
Yeah.
Shabash. So instead of the Ra'ina, you should say Unzurna. Why? Because Unzurna is a form of proper respect. Can you pardon? Can you please tell me again? I am not understanding. It could be my fault. Very sorry. But can you please let me know again? Can you please tell me again? Hmm? Like you're giving respect. You're coming like with proper form of respect, politely, and all that. Like you are covering all the ways of respect. Okay?
Okay.
Shabash. Move on.
وقولوا انظرنا
وَقُولُوا انظُرْنَا
وقولوا انظر وقولوا انظرنا واسمعوا. Do not say Raina and say Unzurna
Hmm.
and listen.
I am explaining you something. You suddenly say, repeat. This is called Ra'ina. And you should say, secondly, you should say, can you please repeat? This is Unzurna. Giving respect and giving not respect. Ra'ina equals to not respect and Unzurna giving respect. Okay?
Okay.
And thirdly, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned one more word, and that is wasma'u. And Allah completely ordered that listen to the Prophet also. When Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam speaking, no one dare to speak at all, because Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the most respectful personality in this planet Earth and even in this universe also after Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So always say unzurna, talk with the respect, and secondly wasma'u, and listen to the Prophet only sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When he is speaking, no one should speak. Clear, beta?
Yeah.
Like let him to complete his talk first, and then you ask your questions with the proper form of respect. Shabash. Move on.
Okay. وَلِلْكَافِرِينَ, and for the disbelievers, عَذَابٌ عِلْمٌ, عَالِمٌ.
Alim.
Oh, alim
Ji.
is a painful punishment
For what? For whom?
for the disbelievers.
Disbelievers. Walil kafirina azabun alim. And for the disbelievers, there is going to be a very, very painful punishment. Clear?
Yes.
Any questions you have in this verse, Zaid? Verse number 104?
No.
No? Sure?
Yeah.
Can you read dua to enter masjid, Zaid? Or any place where you can perform the namaz?
Oh, wait. When you say the verse, you say anywhere you do namaz,
Like
or just the
especially
masjid?
you can say masjid. And if the masjid is not there, you can consider the place where you do the namaz equals to the masjid. Why? Because a place where you can do the namaz is considered as a masjid also. So you can read the
Oh,
dua also
okay.
there.
Okay.
Read dua, beta.
Allahumma ftah.
Allahumma
Allahumma
ftah li.
Allahumma ftah li abawaba rahmatika.
Very nice. Again.
Allah, Allah, Allahumma ftah li abawaba rahmatika.
That's great, Zaid. Chalo. Take care of yourself. Take medicines. Have rest also, inshallah. you will feel better in the next class. Okay,
Okay.
good job. Call us. Allah Hafiz.
Hafiz.